In this video, we learn how to improve image quality from low to high resolution. It's very easy and simple method. First of all, go to File and open your image, and now select image, and now try to zoom out. So as we can see here, it has some low resolution. So very easy and simple. Go to image and select image size. So it has 96 resolution. We will improve and make the 300, and its size will be changed, and you can make the bigger than before. Now go to resample and select from here bcubic smoother and click on OK. So now this image has better resolution than before. So by this easy method, you can change the image resolution, and optional you can make the more smoother by going to filter and selecting noise, and in here selecting reduce noise. So as your requirement, try to changes some numbers from here. It will reduce some noise. So I hope you like this video, and in this video you know how to improve the image resolution size. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates.